PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to take a look at the Body Comp Scale from Withings, a company that we've seen products from over the years. This is actually an upgrade to a product that we have around here already, and I look forward to seeing what the difference between this and its predecessor are, as well as seeing what it comes with. So let's open it up and find out. Obviously, this is more than just a scale. It does everything from heart rate to body composition and even your vascular age, all just by stepping on it like a regular scale, which is pretty cool. Some of those are new compared to the one that I have now. One of the things I like about the packaging on this is I did not need a knife to get into it. That's always a bonus for me. I have one over here, but it's always a bonus when they give you a nice little sticker that you can peel off. Easily open the box. All right, so here we are. Here is the new Withings Body Comp device. We will come back to the proper product here in a second. I want to see what else we come with. We have a very large envelope here. In the envelope is a collection of things. We have this looks like maybe warranty information in a lot of languages. Actually, it looks like a quick start guide in a lot of languages. Here is your actual getting started guide, a little information about the product, quick start, best practices, Health Plus, which is their subscription service. So on this, there is a digital display, which we know. We have a pairing button on the back. There is a battery cover with 4 AAA batteries, which are already installed. That's always nice, isn't it? Especially, you know, when you're spending money on a product like this that has an impact on your daily health. It's really nice that they've got the AAA batteries already in there. There's the electrodes on the surface of the product. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 feet, which we will put on in a little bit. And then here we have the full user manual in a variety of languages. You can see it is a very large manual. They definitely want you to understand how this product works because, you know, unlike a security camera or an LED, you know, something like that, this is a health-related product. You understanding it is way more important than most consumer products. So that's everything in the box. Let's take a look at the Body Comp, and then let's compare it a little bit to the Body Plus, which I have just off camera right now, and see physically what the differences are. I'm going to go ahead and, once again, they have made this wildly easy on me. I truly do appreciate when unwrapping a product is that easy. And then getting the batteries going is as easy as pulling this tab here. The product is live now. The feet look like they go on pretty easily. 2, 3, and 4. And now here we are. The product is raised in a way that I really like. You can see on the screen here, you may or may not be able to see on the screen here, it's actually telling us to open the Withings app. It actually gave us, there it is, gave us a QR code to scan to get to the app, which is pretty cool, and then showed us what the app is supposed to look like to ensure that we've got the right one. So the differences, physical differences between this one and its predecessor over here. Start for sure with the feet. This is not raised nearly as high as that one is. When we set these down next to each other with the feet on it, yeah, the Plus is almost a full half-inch shorter than its replacement. The screen quality, let's see if I can convince it to turn on. Yeah, so this is a very basic screen on this one, as you can see, versus this one, which is a full color display, which gives capabilities. It gives you things like traffic report light, right? Green, yellow, red. Tell you green, you're in the good, yellow, you're questionable, and red, you're in trouble. That's a great capability that's added simply by changing the screen here. It also seems like the pixel density on this is significantly different than its predecessor, which means that the information that's displayed on it can be more detailed. You can get more on the screen at once, which is great because with the Plus, you get on it, you do your way, it shows you statistics, but it shows them very slowly in chunks, whereas this might be able to give you more information at once. And when you look at the box itself, right, the picture on the box is actually showing the words vascular age, which is, I think, a lot more, even that is more than the Plus was designed to display. It gives you a range, 28 to 32, and as you can see on the Plus, that number, you wouldn't have had that kind of precision to be able to display that number. And then it's also got a little graph down here showing optimal, which is with a line, the word optimal, it's green. There's a dot on the little range control. It really is a lot of information that the Plus simply couldn't have done. In addition, again, there are a ton of features to this that the Plus did not include. I look forward to experimenting with things like vascular age. I think visceral fat may have already been on there. I don't know that the electrodermal assessment was. So there's some really interesting stuff on this new one. But physically, you know, other than the fine details, physically they look nearly identical, right? If they were both off, you may not know which one's which is the consistency that we've come to expect from Withings. They have nailed down who they are and what they're doing, and that's a fantastic thing. You know what you're going to get. We obviously will be doing a full review on this product and comparing it to its predecessor, the Body Plus. That will show up as a link here in the video, but you can also go to PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. There you'll see all of our reviews for all of our products. You can see other unboxings of some of our other products, connected home, lighting, security, stuff like that, by going to unboxed.live. We will also have how-to videos on how to set this up and a whole lot more, all by going to PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to. And until next time, ciao.